Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to remove admin from Facebook group. This tutorial is very easy and you can apply using an iPhone or Android, so I highly recommend that you watch until the end. Before the tutorial starts, make sure your Facebook application is on the latest version. After that, open your Facebook application. On the Facebook homepage, click on the 3 lines icon. Then, click on the group button. Click on your group. Then, scroll a bit and click on the group you manage. After entering the group you manage, click on the Manage Group button. Click on the human icon. In this section you can see all the members of the groups you manage. To delete an admin, then look for the name of the admin account. Then click on the username. Select Remove as Admin. You will be asked for approval, click Remove. Let's refresh whether we have successfully removed the username from the membership as admin. That's how to delete the admin in the Facebook group that you manage. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions.